The visual intersection of the protonated fraction curve, Ha, and the deprotonated fraction curve, a to the power, represents the point where Ha equals a to the power. According to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus log a to the power over Ha. When the concentrations are strictly equal, the log term is 0, making pH equals pKa. The visual intersection occurs at pH 4.4, meaning pKa equals 4.4. Therefore, Ka equals 10 to the power minus 4.4 equals 10 to the power 0.6 times 10 to the power minus 5. Since log 3.98 approx 0.6, Ka approx 3.98 times 10 to the power minus 5. Thus, the value is 3.98. The answer is 3.98.